AquAffirm has developed the first portable digital cloud-connected test for water contaminants that works off a smartphone. We're currently validating the test in pilot studies in South Asia, funded by big organizations like the World Bank, NGOs such as UNICEF, for measuring arsenic. This is a drinking water contaminant that affects over 140 million people around the world, killing hundreds of thousands each year.
Arsenic is a poison. You don't smell it, you don't taste it, and it is in the water, and people tend to drink it without aware that they're drinking poisonous water.
So this is a big challenge because of its toxicity. So it creates disease called arsenicosis. This is considered as a very serious public health issue of the current time.
Our sensor uses inexpensive disposable test strips. This enables us to give digital measurements of contaminant levels.
So there is an enzyme in our reagent mix which will react with the arsenic.
So the enzyme is what's called a biological catalyst, which speeds up a chemical reaction.
When the arsenic comes into contact with our enzyme, a tiny current is generated,
which then directly correlates to the concentration of arsenic in the sample.
From the current, we were able to digitally monitor the concentration of the arsenite in the drinking waters, and it gives you a measurement in ppb. You can straight away compare it with the WHO recommended levels of 10 ppb for drinking water.
So the whole reading process from measurement to data collection takes around 30 seconds.
We've also developed a sophisticated platform for data mapping and analytics that will enable results to be visualized in real time, something that's never been possible before. So there are all sorts of potential threats that can contaminate water. Metals such as lead, chemicals such as antibiotics, and even microbiologicals like bacteria such as E. coli and algae. Next year we're launching the AquAffirm product range to address many of these issues. With this one product range, people will be able to test for a whole range of different contaminants. Once you have the platform, once you have the phone and the reader, you can simply purchase more and more reagents and test strips, and you can test many wells in your village, in your district, or in your country. So the people who've approached us have ranged everywhere from NGOs such as UNICEF, beverage manufacturers around the world, and even farmers.
Knowing the quality of water you are drinking, we take it for granted in the UK. In many parts of the world, it is not so easy.
Visiting Bangladesh was a really amazing experience. Seeing with our eyes what's actually happening and the people that we are helping really makes a difference. It creates an emotional response for sure.
One of the reasons why I'm working for AquAffirm is I believe that I can make a difference. The more support we get, the more people we can benefit.